Yes, thank you so much. It's time for match number 3 of the Maharashtra Premier League Season 2. Raigad Royals versus Chhatrapati Sambhaji Kings. RR भिड़ेंगे CSK के खिलाफ. The skipper Murtuza Trankwala won the toss, decided to bat first. Sushant More, the captain, Siddesh Veer, Naushad Sheikh, Mehul Patel, Rushabh Rathod, Savya Gajraj, Omkar Rajput, Manoj Ingre, Vicky Ostwal, Shubham Kadam and Vedant Patil. If you talk of the Chhatrapati Sambhaji Kings, the skipper Murtuza Trankwala, Saurabh Nawale, Omkar Khatpe, Digvijay Jadhav, Om Bhosle, Shubham Kothari, Shamsujama Kazi, Rajavardhan Hangarkekar, Anand Thenge, Pranay Singh and Hitesh Vayun. Opening for CSK is Saurabh Nawale, the right-handed batter, and giving company to Saurabh is the captain, the skipper himself. It's Murtuza Trankwala. Chala dar mag hoon जाऊ दे. Let's play match number 3. Big appeal given. Oh, what a start this for Nikhil Kadam. Left arm pacer coming in, looking to play across, and he has to walk back.
Saurabh has to walk back, getting out on 0 for 1.
In comes Omkar Khatpe. Outside the off stump, nicely played through the covers. No chance for the fielder. There comes the first runs. And what a way to get off the mark for Omkar Khatpe with a boundary. There goes the outside edge and there'll be a boundary. Going for the big one. Oh yes, that's a tennis ball shot. And he gets a 6 for that. Kitna mehenga padega? Zyada mehenga nahi padega. Short ball straight to the field, short fine. So Rajput gets his man. Saurabh is going to be a very happy man. The captain Murtuza Trankwala has to walk back.
Murtuza वापस पवेलियन जाते हुए 10 रन बना के 31 पे 2.
Digvijay Patil, the right-handed batter.
बहुत अच्छा टाइमिंग यहाँ पर. चौका मिलेगा बिल्कुल यहाँ पर. Oh, what a lovely shot! What a lovely shot!
Once again banged in shot. The fine leg inside the circle. All he had to do was just connect, and he does that.
शॉट बॉल थी, ऑफ स्टंप के बाहर कट कर दिया. थर्ड मैन की तरफ बाउंड्री. हवा में गेंद, बढ़िया शॉट था या कवर की दिशा में. ओवर द कवर्स, चौका मिलाया.
अगला शॉट और बेहतरीन शॉट. फील्डर देखता रह गया और गेंद तेजी से सीमा रेखा पार 4 रन के लिए. इस बार खेला हवा में, डीप विकेट की तरफ जा रही है गेंद और ये छक्का. बेहतरीन शॉट यहां पर ओमकार की तरफ से.
और 49 पे एक साधारण सा कैच विकी ओसवाल ने फंसाया. वो छक्का खाया जरूर था, लेकिन उसके बाद वापसी. Just off 35 deliveries, 49 well played, 103 for 3 the CSK.
ओम भोसले बल्लेबाजी करने आए हैं और साविया आए हैं. पहली गेंद उठा के मारा है उससे कवर्स के ऊपर से और ये चौका. छोटी गेंद, ओ मिस कर गए. विकेट कीपर से चूक हुई और गेंद चली गई है सीमा रेखा पार 4 रन के लिए.
That's a lovely shot. Placed beautifully.
Nicely driven. The fielder won't be able to stop that. A stylish boundary to bring up a top-class half-century. Digvijay Patil getting a standing ovation from everyone in the dugout, and deservedly so. This time, that's well connected. Oh, he's striking the ball really well. This time over the bowler's head. Nicely played. He just gave direction to that ball. This is really smart batting. Oh, wonderful. Absolutely incredible shot that from Om Bhosle.
इस बार अंदर आती गेंद. ओ कंफ्यूजन और नॉन स्ट्राइकर पर आउट. रन आउट। दोनों बल्लेबाज बीच पिच पर आ गए और जबरदस्त तरीके से एक विकेट निकाला। और निखिल के चेहरे पर देखिए राहत की सांस।
Worst way to get out when you are doing so well. 63 रन बनाए दिग्विजय पाटिल ने, 163 for 4.
Rajvardhan Hangargekar is the new batter. The new over starts with a boundary.
Outside the off stump, open the face of the bat. 6 runs. आप इस तरह से रूम देंगे तो फिर बच नहीं पाएंगे. Another 6.
फिर एक बार कदमों का इस्तेमाल किया है, क्या होगा? और एक छक्का.
But let's talk now about Om Bhosle. What a knock this has been. 50 runs in 22 balls, a half century. After Digvijay Patil, he has just carried on the good work for CSK. Attacking instinct at its best. Top class knock from Om Bhosle.
Short ball. Fabulous hit. Another 6. Oh, clean bowled. Tried to play that shot, but this time the bowler, who's got some experience behind him, was right amongst the wickets. And he gets a very important wicket at the right time. 52 of 24 balls for Om Bhosle. 200 for 5 CSK.
Saurabh Singh is the new batter. Nicely bowled, right in the block hole. A chance for a run out as well, and as easy as they come. A good throw on the bounce. The first run will count, the second won't, as CSK lose another wicket. But at the end of 20 overs, after winning the toss, electing to bat first, they've scored 203 for the loss of 6 wickets. Now the target for the Raigad Royals will be 204 to win in 20 overs. Siddesh Veer and Vishant More, the captain at the non-strikers end. Oh yes, let's see if they can chase this down.
और ये शॉट, बढ़िया शॉट यहां पर. टाइम क्या रुक गए थे.
Fielder there, fielder, straight to the fielder. Vishant More made sure that the fielder does not have to move an inch. Straight to him, and there goes the first one for the Royals.
और विशांत मोरे सिर्फ 5 रन बनाए 7 गेंदों में, 16 पर 1 आराम.
In comes Naushad Sheikh. Naushad, first ball, has been offered room, accepted in style. Gets off the mark with the boundary.
Siddesh keeps batting the way he is. There'll be more pressure on some of the other batsmen as well. This is going to help your cause. Well, this time around, finds the gap that he was looking for, Siddesh. कलायर का उपयोग किया यहाँ पर, चौका मिल सकता है और चौका आया है.
Again, the ball rushed onto the batter and he's pulled that one. He gets a boundary.
Beautiful shot. Beautiful shot.
This time down the leg side, and that's out. The appeal, and umpire's given it out down the leg side. Slight tickle, and Naushad walks back for 13 of 12. Much needed wicket here for CSK.
Naushad gone for 13, faced 12 deliveries, 53 for 2 now. RR.
Mehul Patel, he's the new batter in.
Good delivery. Right in front of the wickets. No doubt in umpire's mind. He was caught right in front. Tried to play across. Siddesh, who was batting pretty well, he'll have to go back to the pavilion. And this is an important wicket. Siddesh Veer scored 35, 57 for 3. Rohan Marwa, the left-hander batter.
Again this time, cut that one, and we'll get a boundary. अच्छी गेंद इस बार खेला है उसे, लॉन्ग ऑफ के पास सीधे कैच। यहां पर रोहन मारवा काजी को कैच दे बैठे हैं और ये चौथा झटका लगा है यहां पर रायगढ़ रॉयल्स को।
So Marwa gone for 10. RR now 72 for 4.
Rushabh Rathod is in.
In the air, fielder under it, takes the catch. Anand Tenge takes that catch, well judged. A new over of Shams Qazi starts with a wicket. Mehul Patel out on 7, 74 for 5. 5 wickets down. Vedant Patil is the new batter. Oh, nicely struck. A good start for Vedant.
और ये बोल्ड आड़ा शॉट मारने की कोशिश यहां पर और वेदांत बोल्ड हो गए। एक अच्छा चौका मारा पर काजी ने ये गेंद पे थोड़ी सी गति कम कर डाली थी, इसके लिए आड़ा मारने की कोशिश सीधा स्टंप पर जाके लगी और ये छठवां झटका आरआर के लिए।
Vedant Patil, after hitting a boundary, has to walk back to the dugout. 78 for 6. Vicky Oswal, the new batter, bowled well today with his left arm spin. Once again, another chance for the fielder. Oh, good save it looks from here. But we will still confirm it from the third umpire. But what an effort at deep mid-wicket.
बढ़िया शॉट यहां पर डीप स्क्वायर पर छक्का आया है काजी के गेंद पर, पहला छक्का।
Comes down the wicket and beautifully hit.
ये हवा में गेंद है यहां पर और सीधा फील्डर के हाथ में। विकी ओसवाल बड़ा शॉट मारने की कोशिश, बड़ी ओवर करने की कोशिश में आउट हो चुके हैं।
Vicky Oswal out on 14, 106 for 7.
बढ़िया चौका यहां पर।
That's in the air, but no fielder. Good timing as well in that shot. He has cleared the cover. Boundary with great ease there.
Rushabh used the pace of Rajwardhan to great perfection.
Nicely connected, straight back. The fielder long on has no chance. Full toss as he connected that. No, he hasn't. Fielder, and it's taken. Yes, this time it's the captain. Murtuza Trunkwala makes no mistake. Anand Tenge gets the wicket of Rushabh Rathod.
35 रन बना के वापस पेविलियन जाते हुए 136 पे 8।
2 more wickets required, and that's a swinging bouncer.
No ball, free hit.
Manoj Ingre. Bouncer connects it well, connects it way too well. A clean up this time. Good comeback. Oh, the umpire says hold on. Maybe close, yes. The landing spot is what matters. After that, it might have gone ahead.
Absolutely, and given out because rightly the way you explained that some part of the foot while landing, it was behind the line. At the end, Manoj getting out for 6. It's 143 for 9.
In comes Omkar Rajput. Going for the big one as he connected. Oh yes! Great connection!
जिस संपर्क की तलाश पिछले गेंद पे कर रहा था वो इस बारी पे वो नजर आई।
There comes the victory. There'll be a boundary. They have not picked up 10 wickets, but it's a convincing victory. Savya gets the boundary of the last ball. 170 for 9 at the end of 20 overs. And the Chhatrapati Sambhaji Kings win by 33 runs.